For decades, the 450 cubic centimeter motocross class has been one of the most brutal and competitive arenas in motorsport. This is where power, control, endurance, and rider skill collide. Names like Honda, Yamaha, and Kawasaki have dominated this battlefield for years. Their bikes have been refined through championships, thousands of race starts, and endless development. But in 2026, a new challenger enters the dirt, and it comes from a place nobody expected. Ducati. Ducati enters motocross. Not as a beginner, Ducati's arrival in motocross is not cautious. It's not experimental. And it's definitely not symbolic. The Ducati Desmo450 MX Factory is a full-scale declaration of intent. This is a ready-to-race motocross machine, developed with factory-level components, professional racing input, and Ducati's unmistakable engineering philosophy. Ducati is not here to learn motocross. They're here to compete immediately. The engine that changes everything. At the core of the Desmo450 MX is something no other motocross bike offers, a Desmodromic valve system. This technology, made famous in MotoGP and World Superbike, eliminates traditional valve springs. Instead, valves are mechanically opened and closed, allowing for higher RPM stability, precise timing, and consistent performance under extreme conditions. In motocross terms, this means strong mid-range punch, exceptional top-end rave capability, linear yet aggressive power delivery. The 450 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine produces around 63.5 horsepower and 53.5 newton-meters of torque, putting it right at the top of the class. But numbers alone don't tell the story. What makes this engine special is how it delivers power, especially under race stress. The Desmo system allows the bike to pull hard without feeling unpredictable, even at high RPM and heavy throttle. Factory version, built to race. The factory designation is not cosmetic. This version of the Desmo450 MX features a wide range of performance-focused upgrades straight from Borgo Panigale. Weight is reduced to around 104 kilograms dry, achieved through a full Akrapovič titanium exhaust system, billet aluminum triple clamps. Lightweight racing components throughout suspension is handled by premium Showa units, complete with advanced surface coatings to reduce friction and maintain damping consistency during long motos. This setup allows the bike to remain stable on landings, composed through whoops, and predictable in high-speed corners. Electronics. Ducati brings MotoGP. Thinking to dirt. One of Ducati's boldest moves is the integration of advanced electronics into a motocross platform. The Desmo450 MX Factory includes traction control, launch control, quick shifter Wi-Fi connectivity for tuning via smartphone. While some purists may question electronics in motocross, Ducati's approach is strategic. These systems are designed to assist, not override, the rider, offering more consistency, reduced fatigue, and improved race starts. This is motocross for the modern era. The rivals, how Ducati compares. Honda CRF 450R, the benchmark of control. The Honda CRF 450R has long been regarded as one of the most balanced motocross bikes ever built. Its engine delivers power in a smooth, linear fashion, making it incredibly predictable and easy to manage. This makes the CRF 450R especially popular among amateur racers, intermediate riders, riders who value control over aggression. Honda's biggest strengths are reliability, consistency, and rider confidence. Compared to Honda, the Ducati feels more technologically advanced and aggressive, while the CRF 450R remains the king of usability. Yamaha YZ 450F, built for winning. The Yamaha YZ450F is a race-focused weapon. Known for its powerful engine, precise handling, and aggressive personality, it is often the choice of professional riders and factory-backed teams. The YZ450F thrives on fast tracks and high-intensity riding styles, but demands skill and physical strength to extract its full potential. Against Yamaha, Ducati offers a different approach, similar performance ceilings, but with smoother high RPM behavior and advanced electronic support. Kawasaki KX450, agile and aggressive. The Kawasaki KX450 is all about responsiveness and agility. It feels light on its feet, changes direction quickly, and delivers sharp throttle response when exiting corners. This makes it a favorite on technical tracks and for riders who prefer an attacking riding style. Compared to Kawasaki, Ducati feels more planted and refined, prioritizing stability and precision over instant flickability. Choose Honda CRF 450R if you want maximum control and confidence. Choose Yamaha YZ450F if you want race-proven power and professional pedigree. Choose Kawasaki KX450 if agility and throttle response matter most. Choose Ducati Desmo450 MX Factory if you want innovation, factory-level performance, and something entirely new. Ultimately, the right choice depends not only on specifications, but on riding style, experience level, and long-term goals. Some riders prioritize predictability and ease of control, while others chase outright performance or cutting-edge technology. In today's motocross world, the 450 cubic centimeter class is no longer about finding a single best bike overall, but about choosing the machine that best complements how you ride, how you train, and how far you want to push your limits on the track. Final thoughts. Ducati's bold gamble. The Ducati Desmo450 MX Factory is more than a motocross bike. It's a challenge to tradition, a challenge to Japanese dominance, and a challenge to what a 450 cubic centimeter motocross machine can be. Ducati is betting that technology, precision engineering, and factory-level execution can rewrite the rules of motocross. Whether that bet pays off on the podium remains to be seen. But one thing is certain, the 450 cubic centimeters motocross war just became far more interesting.